Hello everyone. So previously we saw how to use actuator and how to control it properly. So in this video we will see how to use sensors and actuators together. So in this example we will see how to control an motor, DC motor, with the help of temperature sensor. Okay, let's quickly move to the Tinkercad and see. So first thing I will need is sensor. So I am using here temperature sensor, that is TMP, and as usual ground will always go to the ground. V out will go to the A0. Okay, like this. And final one is VCC. VCC will go to 5 volts. Second thing I need is DC motor. So I will simply type DC. So here came the DC motor. So see, very important. We need to select 5 volt DC motor only, else it won't work. You may connect the higher power source like 12 volt or something to the Arduino. Then using the parallel connection, you can use the higher voltage motor also. But for now, for the sake of this demonstration, we need only 5 volt DC motor. Okay. So as usual, positive will go to the D8, digital pin 8. So it doesn't matter actually now. You can choose any of the 13 pins. Okay. Any of the 13 pins you can choose. But for this example, I am taking the D8. Now let's start the simulations. So see, right now it is moving. Let me bring temperature down. Okay, it stopped. So let's see on serial monitor. So okay, not moving, not moving, not moving, not moving. Okay, start moving. So you can see we have the threshold of 35. And if the temperature range, or should I say sensor input range, increased more than 35, then our motor will start rotating. So code is pretty simple. I am defining temperature sensor pin as a temp pin A0, motor pin 8, and threshold is 35. You can say, hey, this temperature sensor doesn't range from 0 to 100, correct? How you are getting these values? Answer is using the map function. In previous video also we saw the map function. So I am reading the temperature using the analog read. After that, I am mapping this temperature. Okay. So this temperature sensor gives the value between the 20 and 360. And I am mapping them between 0 to 100. And I am telling if the temp value is greater than the threshold, motor should start, else motor should stop. So I hope you understood the code and you understand how to use sensor with actuators. Okay, so using the sensor value, we automated this entire process. For an example, you can do the similar thing. Actually, similar thing do happens with AC. You fix some value, that is maybe 20 degree. So whenever the room's temperature go above 20 degree, AC turn on and cool up the room. And if the temperature goes below the 20 degree, then AC switch it off, or at least it stop throwing the cool air. So I hope you understood the working and how to use sensors and actuators together. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.